Good afternoon, boys and girls. It is I, your good friend North Sentinel Island, and we're back at trying to figure out how to get this to work. Last time we got these poster out to work. This one I know works, the get all thing. So now I guess we have to figure out some way to get like passwords and some sort of security, which I don't know how to. In the past, I just used CSurf, and I had some boilerplate code that kind of did it for me, and I didn't even know what the hell it did. So I'm trying to do this to actually learn stuff too. So we're gonna have to go here, eat some humble pie. It deleted all my crap, which is great. Hi, ChatGPT. I am using SQLize and Express backend. Ultimately, Redux and React front end. Can you suggest some sort of password thing? I used CSurf in the past, but it seems deprecated. Yeah, I'm giving feedback. Okay, sure, good. Okay, I say why not. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna install a bunch of new stuff, which makes sense if I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna go there, and we're gonna go into backend, and we're gonna install a bunch of crap. Bcrypt. Well, these things sound familiar. Okay. Type password. Okay. Return user. So we're just gonna play with the user model, which is fine because I didn't really like that thing yesterday anyway. So we might as well just get rid of this while we're at it. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go there. Bcrypt. Bcrypt. Email. Password. We might as well flesh this out while we're here. What other crap do we need? Username. I don't want first name or last names for this because, well, the goal is to ultimately just. The goal of this is going to be some sort of thing similar where people could request. It's just going to be based on mutual aid, the concept of mutual aid. Basically, people are going to be able to post requests in the given area, and then people will be able to respond. Like, I need food. You could post a request. Someone will say, like, yeah, I could give you some food at this time. So it's sort of Facebook, but mutual aid based. And you can't really post anything. There's going to be no algorithms. It's going to be obviously non-profit. And in general, I just feel like username unique true. So just the less information, probably the better. So I need an email, so at least that way I can actually send you stuff. Like, you got a new message, stuff like that. Something like that's going to be useful. Otherwise, I mean, it's basically just going to be almost kind of like based on like food not bombs or something like that. In other words, I don't necessarily want someone's name, and if you want to call yourself whatever you want, so much the better. So that I don't want first name or last names for that reason. You know, fascists want to, like, say if someone wants to, like, I don't really like to call Trump a fascist, but he's acting that way. But for the most part, it's just designed so that way, if you don't have documents or anything like that, I'm not necessarily telling. Like, I'm going to try to, at least in this aspect, stay neutral on that aspect, but if you don't have documents, I still think you should be able to get some sort of food. Simple as that. And that's what, and healthcare and stuff like that. It sounds strange because a lot of undocumented people are kids, and they don't really have a choice in the matter that they're here. For that reason, I think they should have food and shelter and shit like that. And if you're against that, well, think if you were that kid, you wouldn't necessarily. I'm assuming if you were that kid, you would want food, shelter, some sort of education, crap like that. Okay, authentication route login. I mean, this actually looks familiar. This actually does look familiar. Okay, so we're gonna go there. I guess we're gonna go to user routes again. My only other thought is we got create. This is probably the worst route known to man for security purposes. But I'm probably just gonna make a new one. CD routes touch login routes.js. There we go. Const login routes equals require login routes. Router.use login routes. Nope, not console.log. There we go. So let's do that. Why do you have an error? One problem in this file. What's the problem? I never had the second one. Bye. Good there. And there. And bump. Secret. Yup. I need a secret key. We all know that. Expires in 1 hour. Okay. Stuff seems. I mean, that sounds familiar. It sounds sort of say this, but it sounds awfully familiar. Protect route from middleware. Okay, add that authentication route. Authenticate. Middleware. This just goes in. I'm not even sure where the hell this goes. Where does section 4 and 5 go? In app server.js. Authenticate.js. Middleware. Okay, you need a middleware folder. Never even heard of this. Okay, CD backend. Okay, and we need authenticate.js. Okay, because I'm really just need this to be. Oops. Okay, so let's just do this then. I'm gonna put you in users, I guess. There we go. Get you up here with the other imports. Good. And yeah, everything's running and happy. Helmet, I used Helmet before. I like Helmet. Some of the stuff I know, some of the stuff I don't know, obviously. So Helmet's good. Routes. Okay, this is good. Okay. Modify server or app.js. I don't know why the hell. It's probably just because it created this for me. Okay, we got Express and app. Routes. those have to get changed a little bit. So we're going to do that. And go down here and go there. So let's see what we got. Routes, login routes. Authenticate. Space.json. Okay, that I could do. Oh, I already had that. Die. Login routes. Okay. Apparently it's working now. API is less protected. So let's just switch over to index. Trying to figure out what the hell this means. Protected routes.js. I'm thinking use routes might be good. This I want to get rid of. Router.get / protected. How the hell are you up now? I thought I got rid of you. Alright, you're gonna go dead. Die. Alright, I think I'm playing enough copy pasta. Oh, I can't believe it just deleted that. you. I just need to figure out. Hi, ChatGPT. I am using the following setup. How do I get a jot token and put it in my .env file? Okay, you got it. It's gonna be a scary token. There we go. You got it. Secret equals whatever the hell this is. Good. Okay, good. Diffie Hillman, beautiful crap. And Jot Secret. Once again, I don't care because before this gets pushed into some sort of production, you will make a new one. Query.env.config. Let's just double check. I'm going to almost guarantee you it's here. Bye minute. I don't think I have it anymore. This is great. Isn't this lovely? Never done it. This is quite embarrassing. Oh, yeah, right up there. That's a common JS module. I know what that is. Right. Okay, I'll just put this into app, and I don't want them just to have to. I'll just do this once to see if it works. Server.js. And you're going to start from top down. And that. And we go to here. And we go to there and turn you off. npm start. Undefined. JWT secret. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Alright, so dot. Okay, so let's figure this else out. Why the hello? The first problem, number type 50, is why the hell we have an undefined. Oh, and I see why, because we have a typo. That's just hilarious. Okay, so we got that. And let's just do this again. npm start. There we go. You might as well keep it there for the time being. So at least that part is good. And it is located correctly. We might just keep it the way it is. At least that way I knew it's running. And if it doesn't appear, then we have, well, issues. And that's... This thing is weird, so let's just get rid of you. Migrate. Oh, yep. npx synchronize, db migrate. Uh-oh. Up npx, we need to go into the back end. There we go. npx equalize db migrate. There. Uh-oh. Data types is not defined. Let's figure what the hell is happening now. What did I do? It's probably something similar. That makes sense. Okay. So let's do that and do that. Okay. From the import. Okay. Okay, let's do it this way too. And I don't even know what the hell this gobbledygook is. So, that's just to try to run it again now that I've fixed it. And it's still saying it's not working. This is weird. Okay, this is models. Index. Okay, and this is the regular user.js. Okay. Okay, you want user.js to look exactly like I just had it. Actually, no, it is slightly different otherwise. Yeah, it's okay. It's let's try this now. Hmm. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, same error. Password field. Oh, that's that would explain it. That would explain it a lot. Yeah, I could see. Yeah, that's just embarrassing. Okay, good. So now we're good with that. We have this. Everyone's happy now. Users, we don't have anything, but we have an ID, a username, an email, and a password. And I guess we just have to make a freaking user now. Let's see if we can get this to actually work. Or if we just need a vent. Yeah, I need a vent because these serialized migrations are just terrible. But once again, I can't make anything better myself, so I'm just gonna eat some humble pie and keep quiet about that. Okay, so we're just gonna go to body, raw data. And we're not gonna go to get all, so we just need to find now a route, which you could do. I want login. Login. No. Users, API slash users slash create. Okay, so now let's figure out what we could do to make a user, and then we could actually see if we could get this thing to actually work. So we got username, same thing. Bilbo, one hell of a username. Email, johndoeexample.com, also fine. Password. Yeah, that's great network security. Trust me, we're doing great network security. Password, okay, and now let's just do this and see what happens. Can I get API? Oh! There we go. Post. Cannot get response. Why? App crashed. User.username can't be null. What the hell is all this crap? Clear. All I know is that there was a username. Okay, username, password, bang, or bang, or bang, password. Okay, let's try this again. Gonna get one again. Undefined, undefined. Okay, good. So we got this. Email spelled correctly. User.username cannot be null. Okay, so we fucked something up. So let's just go into models because I thought that was that way before. Yeah, username. Okay, everything has to be changed. Username. I'll just make you just like the. I don't know what case this is. It's not snake case. I don't know what the hell snake case is with those under the leaf long things. So this just looks like gibberish. It's just, I don't know, German case because that's how German words are spelled. It's just one giant word. Who knows? Okay, you need to be changed. Let's try this again. Okay, good. You got something good. So, good. Default to users. Bang, good. Everything's good. And we just have to remember a password, which is password. And users, Bilbo. Just want to make sure it's not just. Yeah, it's different. Good. No, once I did some strange error and it just passed this into that. Took me half a day to figure out what the hell I did. Sometimes it like before. This sub's good. Okay, we're good here. Okay, at least we can make users now. We had that password thing set up. Let's say if we could log in. Login routes slash login. Email password goes rec.body. Email. Yep. Okay, so let's just go to this login thing. And just go to just figure out what my thing is. It's login. So login. PI slash login slash login. And there's a post drop. So we can have on doeitexample.com. Just want to make sure that's the right one. Making this sound like it's way too complex. Yeah, it is. You should know that. Okay, so let's just try this again. And bang. Okay, we got a token. So in other words, it works. So we have the joys of saying that our thing actually kind of works. We got the token to come out, so the route actually kind of works now. Email. If it was bad, we would have that. Generate token. Expires in 1 hour. Res.json token. Good. So we got this all to work out. I'm declaring this to be a success. Next step is just to simply make some boilerplate code for the React part. I'm thinking that might be the best next step. Hey, what is the command to make boilerplate React code again? Yep. And there we go. Bang, bang, bang. Yes. By all means, go right ahead. Now we get to wait and have it do its thing. And we get to wait. And we're gonna do a bunch of this stuff. And I guess we'll change it to front end, or this could use my app or whatever the hell we want. How long has this episode been going on? 45 minutes. Not that bad. So we got at least this part to work. Hmm. That's weird. Okay. So let's figure out what you want me to do. And navigate into the. Okay, now we have to npm install crap. And I'm just going to rename you front end. Because, well, that's what it is. It's the front end. Okay. What exactly do you have installed here? React scripts. How do I start you again? Yeah. Good. And you got here. Look at all this crap. And let's see if we start up. Then I'm just going to end this episode as I have to cook food and get ready for work. Module cannot resolve web vitals. I don't know what the hell that means. Report web vitals. Set up tests. Gotcha. Get rid of you. And I don't want you either. But you're running on 2000. Let's see if you're an error now. Okay, and where's the index? Import by. Line 17 by. There we go. Alright, so we got this and it doesn't crash. Or half crash. Next episode, I guess we just have to figure out how to make protected routes. And we'll begin fleshing out this project. Basically, it's just because then a lot of the copying and pasting can actually begin. At least we got a bunch of the boring stuff done with. Alright, everybody. Thanks for joining. Feel free to like and subscribe. This is North Sentinel Island, signing out.